Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson. Welcome to our series on Form 1010C, the Small Business Administration's business plan template. And we're going to go over each question. Stay tuned. Having a well-defined business plan is your invitation or ticket to the world of financial assistance in both banking or through a grant program. Having this completed will open doors that you would not have otherwise been able to open. And we're going to take this series as a tool to go through each question on this form so that you can effectively get everything right the first time through. Now, the next step is coming with a strategic marketing plan to go after those funds and grants that you're getting from private institutions, as well as the federal agencies that the funds will be coming from. Step-by-step approach, we're going to go down the list. First, obviously, identify the federal agencies that you're going after for your grants. In addition, identify the banking institution or lender and go after what they are looking for. Find out what they need to know about your business and how you plan to anticipate those actions or those corrections that they're going to need. Now, when it comes to the federal agencies, you want to also make sure that you're registered with sam.gov. Now, this step took me a little while because I have a unique character in my actual business name. The application for sam.gov, the website, only accepts alphanumeric characters. Punctuation doesn't always fit, especially the punctuation that I used in my business name. But fret not. There is a section after you get your forms completed that allows you to state how or who you are doing business as. Now, this allows you to type in the name as is or without the special punctuation, as long as it's close enough to your name. If you've made that connection, you will always be able to use your name as your business. And it is such a tedious process. It took me 3 days to get that done. But you have to get that done. Next, one of the things that the SBA is very key on is you attending networking events, conferences. Participate in any type of industry-specific conference, expos about the business that you're in. Gather that information and see how you can apply it to not only your business plan, but how you're going to apply it to your activities going forward. This is key, this is critical, and you definitely want to spend a little time on that because these events offer valuable networking opportunities and showcase your company's capabilities to connect with potential government or private clients and makes them partners to your business. Now, still inside of this marketing plan, you want to add your capability statement. Now, this capability statement is a way for you to link any relevant documents that you have acquired in pursuit of your professional degree or your expertise in the field. That could come in the form of a degree or certification, but it also can come in the form of a federal agency or offering that you have. It doesn't necessarily have to be anything through an educational standpoint. It could be your license. It could be your certification to operate as a loctician, or if you are state certified through a standards board. Those kind of documents you want to make sure you work into your capability statement so it demonstrates you have the base knowledge to go ahead and pursue a career in that field as a private business and a private citizen. You also want to go ahead and stay compliant with those certifications so that there's no overlap or need to go back to school or pay any extra fees for you to maintain that ability to do the work in that capacity. Finally, go ahead and leverage your resources that you have available to you through the SBA, such as going through the SBA's business development program or joining SCORE. This is a way for you to get the inside knowledge from people who have already gone through the process. This is key. That will show your commitment to gaining more information about the process, which will demonstrate your seriousness on making through or going through with your proposed plans. Now, this by far is one of those sections that you need to spend some time and thought on. Don't worry about how long it's going to take. Just make sure you get it done and get it done right. I'm going to add more videos on this in a later date, but keep this work going. If you go through these videos step by step, you will have what you need to complete that SBA Form 1010C. I'll talk to you tomorrow.